Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Uphold to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin between these platforms, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Whether you're new to crypto or just refreshing your skills, let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Uphold and XMO, and that you have some Litecoin in your Uphold wallet. Always double-check wallet addresses to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and locate your Litecoin balance in the wallet section. Step 2. Select your Litecoin holdings. Click on the Withdraw or Send button to start the process. You'll be prompted to enter details for the transaction. Step 3. Go to your XMO account in a new tab, log in, and navigate to the deposit section for Litecoin. Copy the unique deposit address provided. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Litecoin's own blockchain. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the XMO wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and review any transaction fees displayed. Step 5. Take a moment to verify everything: the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Step 6. Once confirmed, the transaction will process on the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network traffic. Check your XMO account to confirm the deposit. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and only send to verified addresses. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Litecoin. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.